just arrived at this car meet. This is Johnny's car right here. To pull it back into park. I just drove it here, but I'm honestly not very familiar with this. So I go back to stop, set to park, and here we are.
There's a few back to half class. I want to come to the ring.
This year today is like a weird all-things influencer.
There was like a guy that is like a mega influencer from Croatia.
I did not plan to come here today, but apparently this is the opening of this marina from the guy whose boat we went on during Thanksgiving. I also have a vlog from that day. So this is the first time it's open to the public going forward. You can rent spaces here. You can also, of course, rent all the boats and all of the events through that same guy. His name is Izzy. I'll see if I can put his Instagram or something in the description of this video too. So thank you so much for inviting us and allowing Luxuri to sponsor this, and that's the jacket I'm wearing right now.